Hello friends, glad you are watching this video. In this segment, the title is Life an Emergency Now? Have you noticed something lately? Everyone is rushing, walking fast, talking fast, eating fast, even resting fast. It's as if life has become one long emergency. But nobody remembers what the emergency actually is. People bump into you, don't apologize. They step on your foot, keep walking. You say good morning, and they look at you like you just spoke ancient Greek. And don't get me started on the phones. Have you seen people walking while staring at their phones? Heads down, fingers scrolling, completely disconnected from the world around them. I call them modern zombies, not the scary Hollywood type. These ones don't chase you. They walk straight into you, and when they do, no apology, no eye contact, just a slight grunt, and back to Instagram. I remember a time not that long ago when people greeted each other. You walked past someone and heard, "Good morning, how are you? Lovely weather today." Now, silence, AirPods in, eyes glued to a screen. Back then, respect didn't require a password. Courtesy didn't need Wi-Fi, and being human didn't need an app update. Today, people can message someone in another country in 2 seconds, but won't say hello to the person sitting next to them. We know what strangers had for lunch, but don't know our neighbor's name. We compare our lives to highlight reels online, then wonder why we feel empty offline. So the question is, what happened to human decency? Why has patience disappeared? Why does kindness feel optional? Why do people act as if slowing down is a weakness? Maybe it's because we've trained our minds to always be on, always alert, always scrolling, always reacting, but never present. There's a verse in the Bible that feels incredibly relevant today. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Be still. Not scroll faster, not rush harder, not compare yourself endlessly. Be still. That's not weakness, that's wisdom. So how do we fix this? How do we become human again, professionally, personally, socially? Here are a few simple but powerful steps. 1. Look up. Not everything important is on your screen. 2. Acknowledge people. A greeting costs nothing, but it's worth everything. 3. Slow your pace. Not every moment is urgent. Most things can wait. 4. Practice basic courtesy. Please, thank you, sorry. These words never go out of fashion. 5. Put the phone down on purpose. Even for 10 minutes, the world will survive. So will you. Try this experiment tomorrow. Walk past someone, look them in the eye and say, "Good morning." Don't worry, you're not flirting. You're not weird. You're just being human. And who knows, you might start a chain reaction of decency. So is this the end of talking because of phones and social media? Only if we allow it. Technology should connect us, not replace us. Because at the end of the day, no notification will ever replace real human connection. And no phone has ever smiled back at you. This is Jackson from Mind Builders on Zonda channel. Thanks for watching. If this video is good for your soul, leave a comment below, like and share it with contacts.